Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're told in the xy plane, the graph of the polynomial function f crosses the x-axis at exactly 2 points, a0 and b0, where a and b are both positive. We're asked which of the following could define f. So the relationship here is between the x-intercepts, a0 and b0, of the graph and the factors of the function, whether it's x minus a or x plus a or just x. There's a relationship between these, and that is that if you have your x-intercept of c, let's call it, since that's something we haven't used yet, then the factor of the equation is going to be x minus c. So for here we have a and b, the factors are going to be x minus a and x minus b. Why is this the case? Well, let's just say we have the function f of x is equal to x minus a times x minus b. And let's plug in a. F of a is going to be, now we plug in a wherever we see x, so we have a minus a times a minus b. A minus a is 0, so we have 0 times a minus b. Doesn't matter what this actually is, 0 times any number is just 0. Same thing with b. We're going to have x minus a, so b minus a, times x minus b, so b minus b. And this is going to be b minus a times 0, which is equal to 0. So you can see when we have these values inputted into f, either the first term becomes 0, in which case the multiplication of them becomes 0, or the second term becomes 0, in which case the multiplication of them also becomes 0. So that is why there's this specific relationship, right? So we know that these two are our factors, and I've already written it out here. This is what we could expect the function to be. You could have some coefficient down front, right? If this was 4 times x minus a times x minus b, this doesn't actually change. It would just be 4 times 0 at the end, which is still 0, right? 4 times 0 at the end is still 0. Doesn't actually change anything. But in this case, we don't have a coefficient, so we can just ignore it. It's just good to know that it could be there. So we have f of x is equal to x minus a times x minus b, which means a is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.